Hi, good morning, my dear legendary students. Good morning, all of you. Uh,
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Welcome back to online webinar classes. This is Krishna, HOD of Geology. Okay, before I'm going to start class, all of you must be on your videos, please. This is a request regarding. Must be on your
Okay,
videos.
sir.
Okay. And Swapna, Reni Vatla, Jabin, Sandeep, this is classroom actually, virtual classroom actually. So you must be on your videos. That is a good discipline for controlling of room also, right? Thank you very much. Okay. Now, I'm not waste your time. Before I'm going to, welcome back to online webinar classes. This is Krishna, HOD of Geology, Sri Vasa Degree College. So today we continue the fundamentals of geology. Okay, if you know the fundamentals of geology, we already discussed, right? So 1 minute, I would like to take one for attendance screenshot. Attendance screenshot. Just okay, right. What we discussing, ma? So animal kingdom. So we are already discussed animal kingdom. We are discussing. You know, you must to be observed clean. That is keen observation in this animal kingdom. You will get totally 100%. That means 100% hope for the total all points about the all our. That means first semester, right? Got that concept? Now, let us come in the pointer. So, what, ma'am? Animal kingdom. Right. What? Very well. Animal kingdom. Animal kingdom. Already told you. Right? According to Origin Taker, the modern animal kingdom contains how many subkingdoms are there? How many subkingdoms, beta? How many
Five
subkingdoms are
kingdoms.
there?
Five kingdoms.
Five. I'm asking about not Parachutator kingdom, right? Okay, I'm asking about animal kingdom can be divided into how many subkingdoms?
Two kingdoms.
What ma? Two kingdoms are there? Yes. Very good. Very good, ma. What ma? Very good. Keshavulu. What is your name? Keshavulu?
Varalakshmi, sir.
Varalakshmi. Okay. You must change your name tomorrow onwards, right? So, yeah, mainly two subkingdoms are there. One is, okay, none other than protozoa.
Zoa.
Protozoa.
Zoa.
Right? Protozoa. Right. Next one, beta.
Metazoa. Metazoa.
Metazoa.
Zoa.
Okay, metazoa, right? Simply, what ma? Protozoa means that you know very well. It is a protozoa means a single cell. What ma? Which
Unicellular.
yes, a
Unicellular.
unicellular,
Cellular.
unicellular organisms. Subkingdom one. Subkingdom two, metazoa.
Metazoa.
Means what, beta? Meta means what?
Multicellular.
Multicellular.
Multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms are there in metazoa. In metazoa, right? So now let us come into the point. In metazoa, okay, based upon the what which character?
Okay.
Based
Symmetry.
character based upon the symmetry.
Symmetry.
What the symmetry based
Symmetry.
upon the symmetry character, symmetry grade or feature. Okay, the metazoa can be divided into how many grades? How many grades? How many grades, ma?
Two.
Two.
Two grades are there. Two grades are there. What are those? What are those?
Radiator.
Radiator. Violet.
Yes,
Violet.
very good. Very good, ma. Radiator. Radiator.
Violet.
Next,
Violet.
what?
Violet.
Violet area.
Area.
Violet area. Right? Violet area. Clear. So, times, so many times asked the question. So many times asked the question. For short question. What is symmetry? What is symmetry? What type of symmetries are they? This topic will be discussing about in or topic fundamental knowledge in Verma Ali Andida also. But here we are discussing about the symmetry definition based on symmetry. Okay, the animals are can be divided to two types. What is symmetry? Anybody can say the answer? What is symmetry? What is symmetry? Anybody can say the answer? Ma. Anybody can say the answer? No, already told you yesterday. Yesterday I already told you, Navita.
Passing through central axis.
Tell me. Ara. Varalakshmi, tell me. Varalakshmi.
sir.
Tell me, ma. Anybody can say. Varalakshmi, Manita, and Anita, Swati, Afroz, Nandini, Manasa, Samrin, Salma, Amira. What happened? Yesterday I told you, na? Okay. Now, no, I would like to review. I would like to review now. What, ma? What is symmetry first of all? Right? Just short question will come examination. Whether remembering one thing is important. See what, ma? Whether the animal we should take, we should cut with anterior side to posterior side. For example, this is a one animal, right? This is a one animal, right? One animal. Clear? So this is the anterior side. This is the posterior side. This is
Posterior.
the axis. This is called what, ma? Central axis. Whether we should anterior side to posterior side. Okay. Anterior side to posterior side. What happened, ma'am? So whether cut with the anterior side to posterior side animal, the two equal offs should occur. Two equal offs should occur. That means what, ma'am? Left part should be occurred, right part should be occurred. So right part should be occurred and left part should be occurred. So once again repeat, symmetry nothing but whether when organism should cut with anterior side to posterior side should occur two equal offs. We should cut with anterior side to posterior through the central axis. So so symmetry. Right? Right, clear? So based upon these character, the animals can be divided into what happened, ma? Two grades are there. Grade 1, grade 2. Grade 1, so this is called grade 1 or group 1. Grade 2, right? So radiator. Now, remembering one thing, ma? Radiator is the first important point. Remembering some few of the points important. Radiator. Okay, so what happened, which contains which symmetry? Radial symmetry. What, ma? Radial symmetry. Radial. Okay, I would like to big letters, bold letters. Radial symmetry. What is radial symmetry? What is radial symmetry? Come on, tell me. So it is a what happened? Whether the animal should cut with through the should cut with the center point to the center point at any plane, any direction, through the center point at any plane, at any direction. Okay, this direction, this direction, this direction. At any direction, any plane, we should cut with the should occur. The organism should occur two equal offs. Right? That is called what, ma? Radial symmetry. Radial symmetry. Just the best example, you should take ball. You should take the ball through the center point. You should cut with two. What, ma? So two. You should cut with the help of the axe. It should occur two equal offs. At any direction, any plane, right? What happened, ma? So should occur the two equal offs. That is called like a circle. That is called radial symmetry. That's why the animals are called, ma? Radiata. radiata. One more important point. This radiata animal, which is having all radiata animals, which is having which grade, especially what are grade 1 of course, which is having mainly tissue grade ma. What ma? Is having tissue grade, which contains only tissue, not organ, not cell. If the single cell, that is protozoa. Here group of cells are there. Group of cells are there, but tissue is there. That's why it's contains tissue grade. Number 1 point. Now, in this tissue, what are two germ layers are there? How many germ layers, ma? Two germ layers are there. How many germ layers are there? Two germ layers are there. Actually, you know very well. How many germ layers are there? Actually, come and tell me, anyone, any idea? How many germ layers, ma? How many germ layers are there actually? So mainly, you know very well. Come on, type in chat box also. Anybody? Type in chat box also. How many germ layers are there? Of course, 3 layers. Okay, done. So, okay. How many germ layers are there? Varalakshmi, Anita, anybody?
3 layers.
3 layers, sir.
3 layers are. What are those actually? Come and tell me. What are those?
Epidermal, mesodermal, ectodermal.
Very good. Fantastic answer, man. Fantastic answer. So, you know, well, germ layers are there actually. Actually, 3 germ layers are there. Okay. From the bottom, endoderm, mesoderm, ectoderm. Ecto, meso, and endo. Right? 3 germ layers are there actually. So, in embryo, according to embryology. So, but whereas in radiata, 2 germ layers are there. 2 germ layers are there. That is endoderm and ectoderm. Endoderm and ectoderm. There is no mesoderm. There is no mesoderm. That means middle layer is not there. That's why all radiata animals are what ma? 2, which contains 2 germ layers. That's why these radiata animals are called what happened, ma? So 2 germ layers are there na. That's why diploblastic animal. What beta? Diploblastic animals. Very, very important character. Very, very important general character. Ma, which one? Ma? Diploblastic animals. Right? One of the general point we already covered here. Right? So this is very, very important. Diploblastic germ layers are there. These are the what are the radiata, which contains which is having radial symmetry, which grade, tissue grade. Okay, so right, which is these radiata animals are called diploblastic animals. Diplo are nothing but which contains ectoderm and endoderm. There is no mesoderm. That's why. So that is called diploblastic animals. Right? Catch my point. Understood? Understood? Anita, Varalakshmi, Mahalakshmi, Anita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Let us come into the point. What are the examples? Here. So try the examples. What are the phyla? Which phyla are there actually? Which phyla is being covered here? So especially for what ma? Ctenophora. Okay. Next what ma? Cnidaria. Cnidaria. Okay. Cnidaria means cylinderata. Cnidaria means what ma? Cylinderata. Cnidaria means it ma cylinderata. Ctenophora. So Cnidaria, the 2 phyla are there. One is minor phyla. Actually, in our syllabus is there. That is a Cnidaria. Cnidaria means what ma? Example. Ctenophora example. Kumbu jellies. Kumbu jellies. Kumbu jellies. Okay na? Kumbu jellies. Okay, comb. So we should be that means combing na. Combing the hair look like a comb, like whatever ma. This is the comb like structures. Comb jellies are there in the ctenophora. Look like we are combing or so that's why the comb jellies are there. Now Cnidaria. Best example is there. Hydra. Best example ma? Hydra. Okay. Right, jellyfishes, that means Aurelia, Obelia, sea anemone. So many examples are there. We'll discussing about in our phyla is there. We'll discussing about there. Right. Okay, next what, ma? So here we are discussing about this is the radiata is completed. Now coming to the point, radiata is completed. So radiata is completed. Now what happened, ma? Bilet area. Radiata is completed. Radiata is completed. Now bilet area. So first point. Okay, bilet area contains which grade? It is upgrade. Upgrade and the radiator. That means which is contains what happened, ma? The bilet area which contain tissue grade animals are there. Which animals, ma? Tissue grade animals are there and organ grade animals are there. Organ grade animals are there and organ system grade animals are there. Right? What, ma? Tissue grade or tissue which contain tissue animals are there. Organ grade are and organ system grade are there in this bilet area. So that is first point. Bilet area means what, ma? These bilet areas which have symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Which symmetry, ma? Bilateral symmetry. Bilateral means what? Bilateral means what, beta? Already told you. What is bilateral? What is bilateral? Whether we should cut with the organism, whether we should cut with the anterior side to posterior side. Anterior side to posterior side should occur two equal halves. We should cut with what, ma? For example, this is not diagram, sorry. This is the one is there. This is the one of the animal is there. We should cut with what, ma? Two equal halves. Through the anterior side to posterior side, through the central axis, should occur two equal halves. That organisms belongs to bilet area. Okay, now left part is occurred, right part is occurred. For example, you should take man. Come on, tell me, man is belongs to blindly. You can say man is belongs to which symmetry? Man is
Bilateral symmetry.
yes, bilateral symmetry. Something. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much for a fantastic answer. So bilaterals because what, ma? Whether we should cut with from anterior side to posterior point. With help of max. What happened, ma? Here left. What happened? Left eye should occur, right side. Left nose, right nose. Okay. Left mouth, right mouth. Okay. Left chambers, right chambers. Okay. Left kidney, right kidney. Okay, now. So whatever it may be, total left lung, right. So total should occur two equal halves whether cut with the organism, right? That is called bilateral symmetry. Let me finish this. Bilateral symmetry is complete. First point is completed. Bilateral symmetry. Now coming to the point. Okay. So bilateral symmetry animals which is having three germ layers. Three
Meso, endo.
bilateria, all bilateria animals. Blindly you can say all bilateria animals are called what, ma? All bilateria called which contain three germinal layers. That's why bilateria animals are called what? Which animals?
Two.
Triploblastic
Animal. What, ma? Triploblastic animals. What it are? Triploblastic animals are
Triploblastic.
triploblastic animals. This is one of the wonderful all bilateral animals which are having triploblastic. One of the character. All bilateral animals which are having which symmetry? Bilateral symmetry. Right, clear? Now one more important character we're discussing here. So bilateria is completed. Okay, now these bilateria. Okay, these bilaterians, right? So these bilaterians, what I mean, ma? Remembering what, ma? Here tissue grade, organ system grade, and what, ma? Symmetry, bilateral symmetry, and is what, ma? That means triploblastic animals. Triploblastic discussed. Okay. Bilateria. Again, the bilateria can be divided into based on the what happened, ma? Formation of blastophore. Based upon the formation of mouth from the blastophore. Which character, ma? So the bilateria based upon the formation of mouth or anus from the blastophore. From the blastophore, based upon that character, these bilateria can be divided into. Come on, tell me, ma. You know very well. That is two what ma divisions are there. How many divisions ma? 2 division. Division 1, division what ma? 2 are there. Divisions are there. What ma? One is protostomia. What ma? One is protostomia. One is protostomia. Second one, what happened ma? Second one.
Deuterostomia.
Very good, very good, very good. Deuterostomia. Deuterostomia. Very good. Fantastic answer, ma. Fantastic. Thank you very much. So, for your wonderful answer. Okay, right. Now, next one. See, protostomia, deuterostomia discussing. What is the difference between, you know very well? Anybody can say the answer? What is protostomia? What is deuterostomia? Anybody can say the answer?
Protostomia means single.
Okay. Tell me. Tell me, beta. See, I would like to say. So, what is the main character? Once I repeat, the bilateral into 2 grades. Okay, 2 divisions. 2 divisions based upon which character ma? Okay, based on formation of mouth and anus from the blastophore in the embryonic stage. Based upon that character, the bilateral can be divided into protostomia and deuterostomia. Right. So one I will like to say proto means first. What na? Proto means what ma? First. Proto means what beta? First. Stomia means what ma? Mouth. Right. Proto means what beta? Proto means
Mouth.
Stomia means mouth. Come on, tell me, in the embryonic stage, what is protostomia definition? What is protostomia? In the embryonic stage. In the embryonic stage, remember one thing, the embryonic stage, okay, for the first mouth should be formed. In the embryonic stage, what ma? First mouth should be formed from blastophore. From blastophore. That is called what ma? Protostomia. Protostomia. Once I repeat, got my concept? Okay. Once I repeat, can I repeat once again?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Repeat, sir.
Okay. Once I repeat. Yes. Okay. Once I repeat, ma. What is protostomia? Protostomia means, remember one thing. Okay. So protostomia. Proto means first. Stomia means mouth. Okay, now right? Clear? For the first time, the mouth should be formed from the blastophore. Okay, for the first mouth should be formed from the blastophore in where? Embryonic stage.
1224. 44, I think.
Okay, that's why it's called what ma? Protostomia. Protostomia. Clear? So what is deuterostomia? What is deuterostomia? Deuterostomia. Remember one thing, ma. This deuterostomia. Deutero means second. Deutero means what, ma? Second. Stomia means mouth. Deutero means what, beta? Second. Stomia means what, ma? Mouth. Come on, tell me. Anybody can say definition?
Second mouth should be in the embryonic stage.
Okay. So what that means? What that means? Come on, tell me, Anusha. That means, remembering one thing, ma. In the embryonic stage, first anus should be formed.
Anus should be formed.
Anus should be formed. Anus should be formed from the mouth, from the from the blastophore. Once I repeat,
Yes.
means what, ma? So in the embryonic stage, first anus should be formed from blastophore. Okay. Second, mouth should be formed from blastophore. That's why it's called Deutero. What beta? So please mute cheskondi. Right. So that is called deuterostomia. Right? Clear? Now coming to the point. Coming to the what, ma? So here, what I know, first mouth should be formed. Here, first anus should be formed. Okay. Here, first mouth should be formed. Second anus should be formed. Here, first anus should be formed. Second mouth should be formed. That's what deuterostomia. Now, let us coming to the point. What, ma? Protostomia. What happened, ma? Based upon What happened, ma? Protostomia based upon coelom. Based upon coelom. What beta? Coelom. Protostomia. So what happened, ma? Based upon coelom, the protostomians can be divided into 3 subdivisions. How many subdivisions, ma? 3 subdivisions are there. What are the 3 subdivisions? Come on, tell me. So, acylometa. What, ma? Acylometa.
Acylometa.
Acylometa. Next what, ma?
Pseudocylometa.
Pseudocylometa. Acylometa. What, beta?
Pseudocylometa.
Acylometa. Second one, pseudo. Pseudo means what, ma? PSE. Pseudo-silometa. Okay, please mute ma. Evaro baga mute cheskondi your mic. Who's ma? Madhur Renivatla. Mute cheskondi ma. During the class, don't disturb, right? So pseudo-silometa. Nandini. Okay. There is less time is there. Okay. See pseudocylometa. Second one pseudocylometa. Third one what I ma? Sagiocylometa. Sagiocylometa. Acylometa, pseudocylometa, sagiocylometa. Acylometa example Platyhelminthes. What ma? Which phyla? Acylometa examples which phyla? Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes example. Acylometa examples which phyla animals? Platyhelminthes animals, right? So pseudocylometa animals what ma? Nematyhelminthes. H means what ma? N means nematic. H means helminthes. Nematyhelminthes. Which one? Pseudocylometa. Right. Sagiocylometa. Remember one thing ma? Sagiocylometa. What are the phyla are there? What are the phyla are there? So that is Annelida. What is ma? Annelida. Next what ma? Arthropoda. Arthropoda. Next what ma? Mollusca. Okay. So what beta? Remembering one thing. So protostomia, which is based upon the coelom character. So how many subdivisions are there? 3 subdivisions are there. Acylometa, pseudocylometa, sagiocylometa. So what are the examples of phyla? Acylometa, Platyhelminthes, pseudocylometa, Nematyhelminthes, sagiocylometa, Annelida, Arthropoda, and Mollusca. Right. Next, Deuterostylom. That means Deuterostomata. Deuterostomata, which is having the coelom, that is called what ma? Enterocylomata. What ma? Enterocylomata. What ma? Enterocylomata. Deuterostomata are having which coelom? Enterocylomata. Enterocylomata. Remember in one the Deuterostomata. So what are examples here? Enterocylomata examples. What are the phyla? What are the phyla are there? So number 1, what are the Echinodermata? Echinodermata. Echinodermata. Number 1. So what? Deuterostomata number 1 phyla. Next what ma? Hemichordata. Hemichordata. Next what ma? Chordata. Chordata. Next one what ma? Chordata. In chordata, what are ma? So fishes are there, amphibians, okay, reptiles, and what ma? Apes and mountains. So these are all the important what ma? So Enterocylomata, Deuterostomata, phyla, what which having what ma? Enterocylomata, right? So what are those? Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata. In chordata, what are fishes, amphibians, reptiles, apes, and mermaids. So this is the what I mean, basic knowledge of fundamentals of zoology. So your what happened now from protozoa? Protozoa, you know very well. So you know, I think important cellular grade. One more pile also there, my here. So what now? According to parazoa, one more something what now parazoa. In parazoa, porifera also there. So porifera. So porifera to echinodermata. Porifera to echinodermata is called invertebrate in your first semester. In your first semester. So this is your total important review of first semester.